Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we'll be doing a knotless braid, and I'll be using this hair from Darling Braiding Hairstyles, and it's a pre-stretched hair. I just love the way the hair looks so soft, and we are good to go. So I'll just go ahead to part my hair. There's no way I'll be making use of this much hair because I'm having short hairs, and so I'll just reduce it. I think this size will do. After parting my hair, I will just take this Darling hair to the desired quantity that I want per box. I made use of 1.5 pack. So the full pack I just showed you guys previously is having 5 bundles in it, and the half pack is just 2 bundles, making it 7 bundles altogether. Regardless of how the line looks, there's no how I can get this straight because I only have a side mirror by me, so I can't see what I'm doing. Okay, the main reason why I'm styling this hair without a styling gel, it's because I want to see how far my hair can go without using a hot iron on it, because my hair is very strong and I just want to try this on my natural hair. Yeah, if you know me too well, you know I hardly have these braids on my hair. I prefer weaving my hair and then putting on my wig because this is stressful, guys. Firstly, the heat and the pain, it's so unbearable. Okay girl, I think you can hint me on the comment section down below on how you go about with your natural hair, because each time I go to a salon to get my hair done, I end up coming back with my neck straight up, like I swear to God. And I so wish that I can cut my hair. Oh guys, it's not like I have the hair to cut. Like, where's the hair for me to cut here? If I needed something simple, I would have made use of those rubber bands those tiny small black bands. I would have made use of it to hold the root of my hair. That way I won't be stressing this much the way I'm doing right now, because it's hard for me to hold the roots all by myself. Anyways, I'm aiming to look very, very beautiful. So guys, I will sit down. I will sit very well and I will endure this pain to the end. Like, I'm not giving up. Yes, I cannot look frustrated, never. Now I'm done braiding the roots of my hair. I will just go ahead to braid the roots of the hair, and once I'm done with all of that, I will just trim the hair, every excess hair that I might be having on it. And guys, I went ahead to set it with hot water. After it's written on the pack that it's pre-stretched, easy braiding and hot water set, I still put hot water. Can you imagine? Cannot spoil my shine. And guys, there is this stuff that I don't like. Let me show you guys. This is it. Whenever I go to the salon, you dare not put hot water on my skull. Like, I'm so scared of it. Can you see that? Like, can you see what I am seeing? Oh, this girl looks good. Yeah, I'm glowing already. Ha! We shine them, gang. You guys don't know why I'm laughing. Like, I've passed this stage of hot water. I feel so good. Yeah, girl. Once again, I'm Rox-T Styles. Thanks for your time. Please do me well by liking this video. And if this video has been of help to you, do me well by subscribing to my channel. And I love you guys. I will see you all in my next video. Bye.